Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at a couple fixes you can try if the number or the numeric lock is not working on your Windows 10 computer. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. Physically check the keyboard. Is there any obstruction or blockage that might be preventing the key from working? If it is a detachable keyboard, check the connections to make sure that it is properly connected. Also, if you have another system that you can plug the keyboard into, try that. If it is not working on the other system, then it is a hardware issue and you should replace the keyboard. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. Type troubleshooter into the search bar. Go to additional troubleshooters. Look for the keyboard troubleshooter and click run. Follow any on-screen prompts and then restart your computer. Check and see if the keyboard is working then. Check the keyboard drivers. Open the device manager. Go to Keyboards. Right-click. If you recently updated the drivers, see if you can roll those back and then check to see if that was the culprit. Otherwise, click on Update. After that, restart your system and see if the problem is then corrected. If not, you can go to the driver, uninstall it, then restart your system. Go back to the device manager, click on Action, scan for hardware changes, restart your computer, and check to see if your keyboard is working properly then. We can look at registry entries. Go to the Registry Editor. Navigate to H-key current users. Go to Control Panel and find Keyboard. Locate Initial Keyboard Indicators. Double click on it and make sure that the value data is set to 2. Then click OK. Then go to H-key users .default, Control Panel, and Keyboard. In the registry string Initial Keyboard Indicators, make sure that the value is set to 2147483 Then click OK. Close the Registry Editor and restart your device. Check and see if it's working then. For more helpful fixes to maximize your digital experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making your digital universe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.